Hey everyone, thank you so much for tuning into this video. If you are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Kiki and I am the founder and creative director for Fedos Creative Designs. And in this video, I'm going to take you on a tour to the 2008 ICFF trade show in New York City. I interview a few vendors that I really appreciated their work, and I wanted to feature them in this video just to show you guys what I saw and what attracted me to their craft. So if you are interested, then just sit back, relax, and keep watching. I will see you after the video. Okay, here we go. Hair out of the face. Okay, here we are in the entrance to ICFF. I'm going to take you along to interview some of my vendors that I'm going to be working with. So we have our passes and we're ready to go, so follow me. Okay, so I'm standing here with Federico from Pole Art. As you can see, this is such a special area for me because A, it's from my home country, Viva que Mexico, and he is making some awesome outdoor furniture. So he's going to quickly tell us what makes this pole art so special.
All right, well, pole art means polymer art because everything we do is made of resin. It's a polyurethane, what we use. And that's why it's good for outdoor. I mean, being resin, you're able to use it indoor or outdoor. We give a special treatment to the resin. And well, the most important thing is for you to be able to play with the colors. We offer 20 different finishes for the frame, 38 different fabrics you can choose from. So yeah, I mean, that's pretty much the idea, for you to play with the colors. And well, like Kiki just said, well, Viva Mexico.
Super excited for Clay to talk to you about the product because it is real wood, and he is going to do a special project for me on my Seattle renovation, and so I'm going to pass it over to Clay so he can just kind of talk about what makes Aronson Woodworks so special. Clay?
Well, we really focus on building quality wood joinery, heirloom furniture that'll last, and of course we got this finish that makes it really unique, and we're custom,
okay,
so we're really flexible with all the products I feel like we make, so basically it's gonna last. And
good. So basically when you say custom, can I make this any color?
Yeah, can customize the color, can customize the size, or if someone just has an idea that they bring to us, we'll come up with a design and work through it.
Okay. See? All right. So I'm very excited for my project, and I can't wait to show you guys what. Okay, so I am here at Buster and Punch, and we are with the founder, Massimo, and he is going to kind of tell us quickly about the brand and what makes his stuff so special and why I'm so attracted to it. So here is Massimo.
Thank you very much. So our brand's a London brand called Buster and Punch. The name is actually my middle name, my brother's middle name.
Oh.
So probably had drunk parents, but there's no magic behind the name. Essentially, we started life making custom motorbikes. We sold those motorbikes to rock stars, fashion designers, and then they came back to us and asked us to make product. So that's kind of how the company started. We specialise in taking boring home type fittings, so things like door handles, light switches, hardware, we reinvent it, we add some sex appeal, we inject some lifestyle, and we make it cool, basically.
Awesome.
So yeah.
All right, yep. So that is all, and I will give you a scan about what he is talking about with the making home style so fashionable and sexy. Okay, so I really hope you enjoyed this tour that I took. I had so much fun meeting new people and connecting with new vendors. I really loved interviewing each and every one of them. I loved what they were doing, and that's why I wanted to just feature them in this new content that I brought out this week. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave me a comment below. If you like what you saw, please give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. And please subscribe to my channel. That way you can get more tips and tricks on interior design and just see what I'm up to. Okay, until then, please practice appreciation and gratitude. I will see you soon. Bye.